Been trying to go through these Ford logos to see if I want a logo for my car when I go to car events so I can put out for display. So a couple of things. I don't want the Ford blue. I want a Vista blue, same color as my car. So that's one problem. And then of course the second is I don't see a logo exactly how I want. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to print my own logo here. So this is what I've got here. It's the Ford V8 logo. I've magnified it about 400%, and I'm printing it out in gray. I'm going to print it out in gray, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it Vista blue to match my car, or somewhat match my car, and then I'm going to put either a silver or a white background, and I may even go black. I don't know, it depends on how it looks. So let's see what we got so far here. So this is what we got printing out so far. It's just now started on the Ford logo. It's already and if I want it bigger, I'll probably just print it out in stages, and then glue it together, epoxy it together with some epoxy. So once it prints, it'll take about another 3 hours to print. Once it prints, I'll get out here tomorrow in the garage and I'll paint it Vista blue, probably sand it down with some 1000 or 1500 grit sandpaper, sand it smooth. Thanks for watching, folks. Here's the finished product. Don't know if I'm going to like this here or not. It looks nice, but the problem is I'm going to have to line everything up once I mount it, to mount it. So now the interesting part here is I could do something neat with that. I could like make my YouTube channel logo, car care nut. I could put that in the middle of that Ford or that V8 there. That'd be kind of neat. But and I can always mount the Ford on a it's almost like a puzzle. So I can always mount this on something. So tinkering. You never know what you're gonna like and what you're not gonna like until you do it. So yeah, I don't want to have to put this thing together like this and have someone come up to me and say, "Hey, the F's crooked," or whatever. So that's it. Turned out good. I'm going to repaint it today with a solid background here, so it's all interconnected. Hey folks, welcome back. I am making another logo here, and this is the one I'd done earlier. And this logo here is going to be a solid logo. It's going to have a 10% infill, and it's going to be completely solid. So I'll have to paint the entire logo, but I won't have to piece it together. Plus this logo is a little bit bigger. So you guys hit the like, the thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, let me know, and I'll I do this stuff every once in a while. So if you want to see more content like this, more emblems, more signs and stuff for cars, just let me know. Thanks.